Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer meatballs with barbecue sauce. Let's begin. We have here 1 egg. We have here just a little bit over 1 pound of ground beef. We're going to put it in. 1 pound of ground pork. There we go. We'll need 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. 1, 2. 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs, garlic and herb. There you go, that's 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs. 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese. There you go, 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese. 1 tablespoon of salt. And 1 cup of finely diced onions. We'll be stuffing the meatballs with some cubed cheddar cheese. Just gonna put it in a cup, some of it. There we go. We're gonna put that to the side. We're going to take everything and mix it all together. Okay, everything is nicely mixed up, and now let's start making the meatballs. We're going to take a scoop of the meat. Just like that. Then we're going to take 1 cube of cheddar cheese and put it in the center and close it up. Should be around 2 inches. Okay, that's 1. Close it up. Just going to add just a little bit more. Make sure to pack it in real nice for each meatball. And make sure there's no holes. There we go. We'll be making 8 for the first batch. We're going to preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn it on. We're going to push the preheat button. We're going for 370 degrees. And start. And we'll be back. The air fryer's been preheated. Let's put them in. We're just going to spray a little bit of olive oil into the basket. There you go. And let's put in the meatballs. There we go. Okay, we have the 8 meatballs evenly spaced out in the basket. Let's put them in. We're going to set the temperature to 370 degrees for 12 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 6 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip them over. It smells really good already. Let's flip them over. Okay, we flipped them all over. We're going to put it back in for the last 6 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 12 minutes at 370 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking great. You can see some of the cheese oozing out already. Okay, let's check the temperature. It's above 160 degrees, so we're good to go. Next, we're going to take some Heinz barbecue sauce and apply it on top. We're going to put some into a bowl. There you go. Then we're just going to take the barbecue sauce and just spread it on top. Put some toothpicks in it. Let's open one up. Look at that. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer meatballs stuffed with cheese with barbecue sauce. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.